Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a fun little project. We're going to be tie-dyeing a couple sweaters. I've seen a handful number of videos on YouTube and a lot of people are using the pastel colors, which is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for the summertime. But this time I kind of wanted something more neutral, more on the nude side. So I did go for a different color than your typical pastel colors. I picked up the color Tan from Rit and the color came out absolutely gorgeous. So this is one I did the other day just as a little test trial. So I just have a basic white long sleeve sweater and I cropped it myself. So this is more of a relaxed thin sweater and I think it turned out really great. I mean, for the first time I'm super happy with it. I think the color comes out beautiful. It's more of like a pink nude color rather than just strictly nude tan, and it's absolutely perfect and what I was looking for. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna stop talking right now and cut to the DIY portion. So for the materials that you will need, of course you're gonna need your white clothing that you plan to tie-dye. It is a struggle to be finding white sweatpants and sweatshirts, but I did manage to find them at Walmart. So if you want some, go to Walmart. And then you're gonna need a hot jug or pitcher of hot water. Sorry, I forgot to include this, but you do need a small amount of dish soap in the hot water. I don't know why, but that's just what I've seen people doing, so I added that in. And then you're gonna need your dye. Of course, I have the color Tan, and that's how I achieved pretty much this color here. And then the squirt bottle, of course, to apply the dye onto your sweater with. You have gloves and then rubber bands to tie up your clothing. And then I kind of just have this white towel here because I think it's super helpful to really just test out the color of your dye and making sure you're happy with it before you apply it onto the sweater. Because once it's on there, it's not coming off. So super handy. And then of course a trash bag to just wrap everything up in. For these sweaters, I'm going to be using the crinkle method just because that's the pattern that I feel like comes out the best looking. So to do that, it's super easy. You kind of just do this scrunching motion and do that all throughout the sweater and just rubber band it together when you're done. Now for the mixing, this is when I do find the white towel being pretty useful. I'm just going to be testing the color of my dye. And the color does wash out lighter in the end, so I'm just going to add in a little bit more to darken up the color. And when I'm happy with the color, I'll just start applying the dye and covering the entire sweater. One really great thing I saw was to actually take off the rubber bands and open back up the sweater. This way you can kind of go in and do your final touch-ups in case you have too many white spots and just want to add in more color. So I'm gonna let the sweater sit for 24 hours, and when it's time, I quickly wringed out the sweater in cold water to get rid of all the excess dye. And when I actually throw it in the washer, I just put it on for a quick cycle, also with cold water. Guys, this is the final product of the sweater. I actually made one for my friend and I dropped it off to her already. But look how adorable this is. Let me show you guys in the mirror. I'm just so obsessed with it. I mean, I think really going in and taking out the rubber bands at the end really helps you kind of get a final hard look and help you or allow you to make the improvements that you want on the piece. So that is something I highly recommend doing. My friend absolutely loves her too. I mean, she could be lying to me, but I mean, I think it's cute, you know. And I actually showed my boyfriend and he got me the Urban Outfitters tie-dye sweater, which cost like $60. And this literally cost like what? I think this sweater was like $11. The dye was like $6. So it's only like $17. And I can use the dye to tie-dye like so many more pieces. I think I'm going to do one more for my friend because she did like the cropped long sleeve that I did for myself. And to show you guys the Urban Outfitters one, that one is absolutely gorgeous. I freaking love it. Let me show it out for you guys. So it kind of has a turquoisey dark mauve mix, and I mean, although this is cute for sure, it was also $60. So I mean, it's pretty pricey, and the fact that it's so easy to make, you might as well do it yourself. And this kind of honestly just makes me want to get even more colors and even more sweaters to continue tie-dyeing. I've wanted an actual full set with the sweatpants, but white sweatpants are literally impossible to find right now. Maybe I'll go on Amazon to double check, but the last time I checked, white sweatpants were literally sold out everywhere. So we'll see if we have any luck with that. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be ordering more colors. I think I want a more like charcoal gray one, and my friends want a similar color to that too, so I might get more dye. And yeah, maybe I'll experiment with some more pastel colors since I kind of have a neutral set going on already. And if you're also into this tie-dyeing trend, you guys should definitely do it yourself because it's so much more affordable and super easy. So definitely save some money and, you know, do it yourself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video of me showing you how I tie-dye my pieces. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.